Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Wednesday morning market webcast. Okay, so daily chart, and we talked about double top high, lower high. We talked about the need for the bears, if they were going to be successful, to take out that 27.99.75 low and break the 100-day, which had been acting as support. They were able to accomplish that yesterday. And the way they were able to accomplish it was, the same way that we had talked about in the webcast yesterday morning. Weekly pivot, the new weekly pivot, 28.37.75, was resistance all night long. The Bulls had a golden opportunity off the open to run it to the upside. They did 41.25, and then you see the marginal lower high here on the hourly chart, and then it just kind of slipped away for the rest of the day. So for us, we were long, a really nice long off the open in around 31. And what we ended up doing was we ended up shorting 35.25, trying to get long again. The only trades that we took as small red trades yesterday were like second chance longs, which always is kind of a shot across the bow with respect to the stuff that I look at as to who is able to do a little bit better job of executing, the Bulls or the Bears. So the Bears were definitely doing a better job executing yesterday. And what we ended up doing was we ended up getting into a 28.30 short that we rode and covered. We covered the runner on that for 26 handles. So it was a solid 28 handle start to the day. When we covered down at 28.04. We were seeing resistance last night in the area of 28.10 to 28.06. We put another trade out for our subscribers over our nighttime alert system, 28.06, and that yielded another 10-11 handles. We took the runner on that this morning for 15. We're actually short against volume weighted average price right now. Our current marker is 27.92. So we're going to keep selling these pops until the Bulls show us that, they can start to put something together. If things like the 5-minute mid-band, volume-weighted average price are going to continue to act as resistance, then today will continue to be a sell rallies day. Now, all that said, if the Bulls can convert the hourly mid-band, get back into the 2800s, they have a chance to retrace some of what happened yesterday. The daily pivot here at 28.15 would be a natural place for that to head. And then the issue becomes, can the Bears fight back and create another lower low on the daily chart that could then push us down towards, call it, 27.75, which is your daily lower bands here at 27.75. The other thing I would note in looking at the daily chart, which I'm trying to pull up, here we go, is you've got the 200-day exponential moving average on the front on the continuation contract, 27.79.42. The 200-day on the front month contract is back up in and around 2,800. For me, the fact that we've breached the 200-day on the front month typically means you go down and at least have a look at the 200-day on the continuation. So that would be, a move to 79 and change. You've got the lower band, on the continuation, 27.82. 200-day on the continuation, 79.5. So 79.5. Is definitely a possibility. We've gone down with the 82. We've touched the lower band on the continuation chart at 82. So there's really no need. How do I want to put this? There is a need to go down to 79.5. The Bears have put in a good amount of work here. But if everybody wants the sustainable downside that they're looking for, it's going to have to stay underneath that 200-day. So at least on the first look, I do expect it to be defended. Absent some kind of news, it's going to push it below. So as we get down into the mid to high 70s, I'm not going to anticipatorily buy it for a bounce, but I am going to look and see if we continue to have support in this area. That's the best way I could describe it. So just very briefly off the open, 87 to 92 is the range that they're initially going to fight over. Like I said, we're short 90 against 92. We'll see how that goes. If they take out 82 and they defend S2 here down at 74 and they get it above 79, back above 82, like I said before, the natural place for it to go is back to retest the 27.99.75 low from May 13th, and then we'll see what the bears have from there. All right, everybody have a great day. Follow us on social. We'll have some more stuff out on there. Trade them well. Talk to you soon. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princetontrader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.